historical buildings, 18th century, for rent. Who knows, maybe it's a shop, maybe it's a restaurant, but it's for rent. Divino grill. Let's get inside of this patio. It's a very nice historical place. For sale, se vende. When you see se vende, it means for sale. So you can buy a restaurant here. It's such a beautiful place. It's really for sale. But be careful if you want to buy. It's probably not like the building, okay? Probably something else, maybe equipment inside of the restaurant. Pretty sure you cannot buy this building as well. So don't be too optimistic if you want to buy something here. Be smart, be careful. Another se vende. And upstairs is a color cafe. They usually play music there. If it's open, let's see. But a little bit later at the evening, of course. No, it's closed yet. Well, it's Monday, so, and very early. As you can see, but you can see this historical place is very old. Wow, it's really historical. Let's continue our tour around Charco, Plaza del Charco. lottery. This is state lottery. Restaurant. Jorge and Rivera, maybe. Let's see menu. They are closed. Martes means Tuesday. Small restaurant. You can eat here outside. Shop about some herbs, really bio. Hola, buenos días.
Hola.
Qué olor bonito.
¿Te gusta?
Saffron. So this is an amazing shop for all people who like burning something at home. And natural bio stuff, supplements, some sweets, and very nice lady. Bye bye. Don Camillo restaurant, famous for pizzas. So this is another pizza. I have to say hello to this lady. Viva Cuba, Cuba Libre, por favor.
Cuba, Cuba Libre.
So, if you like pizza, another choice. Let's see, combos. For example, lasagnas. I love lasagnas. Ciao.
Hello, you want something? Maybe?
Es grande, no, es
Grande.
pequeña.
Grande, grande. Una pizza italiana grande, fresca, hecha al momento. Y esta,
6,50 € por grande pizza.
sí,
Wow.
pizza day. Tiene 4 gustos elegir, champiñones, margarita, prosciutto y bacon. 4 gustos y aquí tiene 4 gustos también, más la bebida. Puede cambiarla por cerveza, Sevená, Clipper.
Con cerveza también. Increíble.
Por $7.90.